Hi everyone, my name is Remy and I'm a vegan and gluten-free recipe developer and health and wellness content creator over at Veggiekins. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really delicious dessert or snack. It's an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie dough that's vegan and gluten-free. The best part about this dish is that there are no eggs involved, so you can eat it by the spoonful, and it also packs in a nice amount of plant protein because we're going to be using a secret ingredient, chickpeas. I know it might sound a little weird, but trust me when I say this is one of the best snacks that I make all the time. Over on my channel, we're going to be making two more high protein snacks, a chocolate mousse and some tempeh chips. And for today's recipe, I'm going to be using a food processor that I picked up at JCPenney. It is an incredible place to shop for home appliances, kitchen tools, everything that you need to improve your home cooking. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box below. Let's get into the cookie dough. We're going to use the handy food processor for this recipe, and it starts with a can of chickpeas. I know it sounds a little funky, but this is a great way to sneak in some extra fiber, protein, and then we're going to use some gluten-free rolled oats. This will sort of be like our flour. I'm going to add about 2 heaping tablespoons of almond butter. You could use any nut butter for this. This just helps to kind of add a little bit of creaminess. We're going to add some vanilla bean paste. You could also use vanilla extract. I would say use a generous amount. And then for the maple syrup, I like to start with less, and you could always add more to taste. I know everybody has a different threshold for sweetness, so start with less and then add more. The beauty of this dish is that when you're making vegan cookie dough, you can taste it as you go. No eggs involved. And then for good measure, a pinch of salt. And that's it. So simple. And now we process. I like to leave mine a little chunky so there's still texture from the oats, but you could blend it all the way if you prefer something smooth. Here's the texture that I like. You could always blend it a little bit more though. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon because I wanna make this taste like an oatmeal cookie. I'm just gonna fold it into the dough. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna add the vegan chocolate chips. You could also use raisins if you like. I like to stir it in. You could also process this. I just feel like it's a little bit yummier when you can actually taste the whole chocolate chip. And you can use a generous hand here. The measurement is totally at your discretion. Here's our oatmeal chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's give this cookie dough a taste, shall we? It's incredible that you can't taste the chickpeas in this, but it's so, so good. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of my all-time favorite treats to make, and it's so, so easy. The ingredients are really healthy, and it's actually really satisfying as a snack because it's got that added protein and fiber from the chickpeas. Feel free to get creative with the mix-ins too. You could add things like cocoa powder and make it a chocolate cookie dough base. You could add pretzels, peanut butter chips, whatever you like. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you'll give these recipes a try. And if you're looking for more high-protein, plant-based snacks, you can find them over on my channel. Thanks for watching.